Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenzie Kens, and for those of you who don't know me, welcome. Stick around, get to know me, and for those of you who are longtime subscribers, you already know what it is. I love you all and appreciate the support. Thanks for coming back. So for today's video, yes, I'm going to show you how I achieved these full first day wash and go results using new products from ApHogee's Curlific line. It comes in this yellow and purple packaging, but in addition, I'm also going to be talking to you about ApHogee's protein treatments. As a naturalista in general, you do want to make sure you have a good balance of protein and moisture. A lot of us seem to only focus on moisture with deep conditionings and leave-ins, and that's great, that's super necessary, but we often neglect the protein of our hair. Protein is what builds your hair back up when you strip it, when you use heat, when it's a little bit damaged, and it just gives you that extra oomph you need so that your hair can actually handle the processes as you're putting it through. So think of protein as what makes your hair strong and tough, resilient, and think of moisture as what gives your hair that softness and that bounce. So a little bit on the two-step ApHogee protein treatment. It helps to stop breakage on even badly damaged hair when used as directed. This is still a really good option for me. I could go in with the 2-minute, which is kind of just a step down from this one. It's not as intense of a protein treatment because you only leave it on for 2 minutes, but I prefer the 2-step just because my hair seems to like protein, so I just go for the gusto, you know? So now this does come in a larger bottle, but I just have the small size here. It includes the instructions conveniently on the back, so I'm going to go ahead and read those out for you. First, you want to gently cleanse your hair. You want to apply enough of the treatment to thoroughly saturate the hair and comb and blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Alright, I'm just going to section off my hair. So my hair is freshly washed. I use the Curlific hair wash, which I'll include a picture or a clip of. It was my first time using it. Smelled great, and the slip was actually pretty great. So you guys know I'm not too pressed when it comes to hair washing products, but I will say that was a good one. I didn't have any issue detangling or anything like that, and my hair is clean. So I'm going to speed through the application of this because, like I said, I have a video already on my channel if you want to check that out. But the basics are you just apply it through your hair, make sure it's evenly distributed, you don't cover with any kind of plastic cap, and you let your hair fully dry. You can either sit under a hooded dryer. I tend to use a handheld blow dryer and just blow it dry. Your hair will get rock solid, I'm talking statue hard, and you don't want to touch it, you don't want to manipulate it in that state because it will break. So let's go ahead and apply our protein, starting on the ends and working our way up. Yeah, every 6 to 8 weeks I'll give myself this protein treatment just to make sure that my hair is strong. I'm just going to kill the bottle because there is no sense in keeping that little bit. Okay, so now that all my protein is applied thoroughly and saturated, I'm going to go ahead and dry my hair using my handheld blow dryer, and I'll be back. Okay, so my hair is now fully dry. I'm being very delicate in handling it, because as you can see, it's hard as a rock. You want to be really careful with your hair in this state because you don't want to snap any pieces off. Okay, so now that my hair is fully dry, I'm going to go ahead, hop in the shower, and rinse all the protein out. And then I'll be following up with the Balancing Moisturizer, also by ApHogee. It's really important, guys, super critical, that you follow your protein up with a moisturizer. Protein moisture balance, remember. So we've added the protein. Now that we've added the protein, we need to add the moisture, yeah? So here is what the Balancing Moisturizer looks like. It comes in this purple container. I'll be back with my final thoughts once my hair is all moisturized. Okay, so I'm back out the shower, and the Balancing Moisturizer was amazing as usual. My hair is already super soft. Honestly, that's just a really good conditioner all around. Even if you're not going to use it after the protein treatment, if you just need some extra moisture, I think it's a pretty good washout conditioner. But that being said, I still want some extra moisture to compensate for all that protein we did. So I'm going to be using the Curlific texture treatment for the first time. This is what it looks like. So in terms of the smell, it's super subtle but very pleasant. I like it a lot. and it's very thick, as you can see. So I'm just going to apply this all throughout for some extra moisture. You know what? It kind of smells like perfume. It's not too overpowering, but it smells more like perfume than like traditional hair products, if you know what I mean. Okay, so first impression, great smell, great slip. As you can see, I'm not having any issues, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my head. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for 20 minutes to a half an hour, and then I'm going to rinse it out, and I'll be back for the styling. Alright, so I'm out of the shower, and I washed the deep conditioner out of my hair, and it feels so soft. Like, it feels great. It also left my hair smelling really nice. Okay, so now that my hair is nice and strong and moisturized, it's time to style. I'm going to be using these two products from the ApHogee Curlific line. The first one is the Curlific Moisture Rich Leave-In. Looks like this. It's a spray leave-in. Okay, so now my leave-in is applied. It's lighter than I usually go, but the slip was pretty good and it smells good, feels good. I'm going to go ahead with the styler now, which is the Curl Definer. And so it turns out it is a cream. I wasn't sure if it was a cream or a gel, so very smooth, very buttery. All these products have the same smell, by the way. Okay, so right off the bat, this feels amazing. I'm definitely glad they included a cream because I'm not gonna front, I was a little concerned when I saw the leave-in was a spray. You guys know that my hair likes thicker products, and so spray leave-in ain't always gonna cut it for me. But this cream is a really nice consistency, so I feel like I'm good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all throughout my hair. Focus a lot on the crown because that's my problem area. Yes, honey. This feels good. There we go. There's that definition I was looking for. Okay, so that's my hair all styled with the Curlific leave-in and curl definer. I am going to dry, probably diffuse a bit, and I'll come back with my finished results. Okay guys, so here are my final results with the ApHogee Curlific products. I was a little skeptical of that spray leave-in at first, but my hair looks and feels great. The cream was my favorite by far. It gave me hold and a slight crunch, but I love anytime I can find a wash and go where I don't have to use a gel. I love it. Saves me a step, saves me a product, and cuts down on my drying time. So the curl definer did give me hold to my hair, especially these pieces in the front. They're a little bit on the crunchy side, but I personally like that because it shows me that my wash and go is gonna last. And as you can see, my hair is defined, my curls are popping, feels great, and the best part is that it has that protein. That is the reason why I've been rocking with ApHogee for years now. It works. I know so many of us want to experiment with color, but we're terrified of damage. You know, once you dye your hair, it does incur a certain level of damage just because it's not virgin anymore, but you don't have to have stringy curls, and I'm living proof. My hair, it may not be perfect, but it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good to be color treated, and ApHogee's protein treatments have been a big help to me. So I'm really excited to learn that their styling products work just as well. So all in all, between the protein products and the styling products, you are getting protein, you're getting moisture, and you're getting some color protection. So those are all things I'm looking for. So that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will have all information on these ApHogee products down in the description box. Be sure to like this video if you like this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've tried the Curlific line or any of the protein treatments. I want to know. Follow me on social media at Kenzie_Kens1. I'll put it up somewhere as usual. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come on, we're family. Subscribe, you know. And until next time, bye guys.